Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna learn how to download the Malaysia Airlines app on your smartphone. Malaysia Airlines is the flag carrier of Malaysia. So whether you are a frequent flyer or planning for your next trip, having the Malaysian Airlines app on your phone comes very handy to manage your travels. So we're gonna look through how to download its app. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it and type Malaysian Airlines. You'll see the Malaysia Airlines app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. Here I can see Malaysia Airlines app developed by Malaysia Aviation Group. So this is the official app of Malaysia Airlines. You can even look for its logo. So tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you'll find an install button if you're using an Android device or a get button if you're using an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, the app will now automatically get installed on your device. You can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. Tap on open. It is asking me if I want to receive notifications from this app, so you can choose accordingly. I will choose don't allow for now. From here, you can choose your language and the country you are from and tap on let's go. Here you can see the login or sign up option at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. If you already have an account, you can sign in using your credentials. If not, you can sign up for a new account from here. So there you go, you've successfully downloaded the Malaysia Airlines app. Now take some time to explore its features by logging in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.